Good morning. My name is Oscar Javier Jiménez Jiménez. Below women present different activities related strategic management at current Diamond Supermarket and the training and development employee development program. What position or people do you need developed? Roles and needed that focus on the development and implementation and strategies the phase competition, implementation, efficiency, and establish policies for sustainable growth at the supermarket, modernization and operation at logic personnel with expedition, and supply chain optimization to reduce costs, improve efficiencies. Marketing and sales specialists. To compete with supermarket chains, specialist personnel and marketing strategies, promotion and customer loyalty and require human resource and the training, development, roadmap, implementation policies and the ensure the growth and the safety and the employees. Corporate social responsibility and the community realization. CS or sustainable development special and respond the market the trends and the consumer the demands. The supermarket should coincide rules the directed the implementation and sustainable practices in the CSRs or projects. What employee attributes do you need to develop in order to achieve your learning abilities? Abilities to adapt to rapid changes in the cooperative environment and the law operation. This means be open to new ideas and be flexible in implementing new strategies. In order to manage operation, employees will need to improve the user and technology tools, information system, and the specific software to optimize internal and external process and the communication. Improving communication with class bigger departments and the using in the essential this impossible verbal ingredient skill as you will as the ability to work effectively and a team. Develop the ability to identify areas and improvement and be proactive implementing solutions to improve operation efficiency in all areas at the supermarket. How will we you believe in maintainable methods? Need assessment, design training programs, measurement and evaluation, promoting a culture of learning, involve leaders, set clear chapters. How will you administer and supported methods? Learning and management system, learning culture, employee involvement, clear and open communication. The Diamante Supermarket aims to draw up a comprehensive strategy that places human talents and the spec centers at the its growth through one soul employee development program. We would see the both internal skills and capabilities fostering and culture and quentin, learning and promoting innovation as an engine of evolution. This strategy rooting in the development as a human resource aim, aim is not only to strive competitiveness in challenging environment, but also to build create, creativity and enhances that generate and sustainable impact and voicing excellence. Thank you very much.